What's up, idols? It's Cece Lesson 3. Welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm just going to do another quick hair review slash tutorial type of thing. This is a short curly 14-inch wig, and it's HD lace, which is really nice. So if you guys are interested in my opinions, how I put it in, and thoughts, and you can tell me what you think of it, then keep watching. So I am running out of inspiration for things to do. So one thing that's always fun as a girl is to like switch up your look, play with your look. And I don't know about the rest of you guys, but I am definitely dreaming of post-quarantine life. So I'm like already thinking of summer looks and maybe late spring looks, depending on how soon we can all get outside again. So I've always thought about like my hair. I've never had like short curly hair before, so let's do that today. This is what I'm gonna be wearing. This is from Cynosure Hair, and it is the HD lace, which is like layered looking, if that makes any sense. Like you can see what it looks like.
1 hour later.
So that's like an example of the parting space, and it's 14 inches deep curl, only 14, and it's like naturally layered. Like the bottom parts are longer, top is shorter, so it looks very natural. Now normally what I do is I like to color them to match my hair because I like to leave my hairline out. But another thing about quarantine is it's kind of hard to find hair bleach and hair dye, which who would have thought, right? So I'm just gonna see how this looks without color, and I'll probably color it like later in life when life goes back to normal. So the only thing I've been putting on it is like water mixed with conditioner and mousse. I don't have mousse right now. All mousse does is holds this like wet look, not allowed to leave anyway, so I figured I'll just help explain how to maintain the look in real life. Now, edge control, cream of nature, argan oil. This one's like my go-to. Then you want to try and take something like a fine comb to blend in your hair with the wig. If you like comb up in that like upward motion, it helps it go into it a lot more naturally. So yeah, I think that's, let me add a cute little clip. One thing I hate about these like worded clips is like you can only wear them on one side or they're gonna be backwards. So Dream is just gonna have to be upside down and backwards on this side. Alright, as far as the install goes, I think that's pretty much it. I just like to use water and mousse to keep up this like wet curl look. So I guess I'll give you guys like my opinion of the hair. I'm not gonna lie, I thought 14 inches would be a tad bit longer, but I know with a lot of companies it's when you pull it, that's the length, and coiled up makes it shorter. Duh. I'm just dumb. Yeah, I thought this would be like a cute summer style, like especially when it's too hot and you don't want hair like all the way down, all over your shoulders and all over your neck. This one is really cute. So when I first got it, I will admit the curls were like a little stiff and I was kind of worried because it was like plasticky, but after I washed it and conditioned it and put some mousse in it, I'm happy. So I'll show you guys like all the way around me. One thing I think I kind of would have preferred is if everything was like the same length, like if the top was the same length as the bottom to get that like more poofy curly look, because the thing is the bottom kind of drags down a little bit and it looks very natural, but it just makes it look more thinned out, and with curls that's kind of not ideal. Yeah, this was pretty much it. So yeah, again, this was from Cynosure Hair, and I will link everything in the description box below. 14 inches deep curl, and I've never seen myself with short hair like this, so this is, I dig it. Like that's the fun thing about wigs, like you can just, you feel like curls today, straight hair tomorrow, you want it short but you don't want to cut your hair, you want it long but you're not patient to grow it, pop on a wig. That's the fun part about being a girl and a guy. I'm not judging. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you did, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Annyeong.